Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Cullum Costello, and today we're going to talk about SOFI stock, ticker symbol SOFI. SOFI, in my opinion, could be a great investment around these current levels. In this video, we'll learn about SOFI stock, and we'll also look at the charts, and we'll take a look at this setup because this is what you want to see in a setup when you're buying a stock. Keep in mind that the stock market and investing in stocks is risky, so do not invest any money that you're not willing to lose. And as always, please do your own research. Now let's get into the video. SOFI, or SocialFinance, is a finance app that was founded in 2011, initially to help millennials who are struggling with student debt. However, over the years, SOFI has added a suite of financial products and services. With SOFI, you can manage your spending, refinance loans, consolidate debt, apply for a mortgage, start investing, and even get insurance. SOFI is a one-stop shop where you can take care of all your financial needs. Now let's take a look at a few slides from SOFI's last presentation, and then we're going to look at the charts, and I'll show you why I like SOFI stock around these current prices.
I like it a lot.
You guys, if you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button down below. It helps YouTube realize us. We're a young channel and we're trying to grow, and it also helps other people learn about SOFI stock. In the members category, SOFI has seen substantial year-over-year growth with 110% since Q1 of 19. SOFI has seen accelerating product growth driven by growth in financial services products, reaching 3.2 million total products and 2.2 million financial services products in Q1 of 21. Oh yeah, did I also mention that about 40% of this float has been sold short? When you have that much of a float sold short and you have a share price that starts to rise, this could create short sellers to race to buy their positions back to cover, and it could send the stock price soaring. Alright you guys, we're going to look at a couple more slides from the presentation real quick, and then we're going to look at the charts and I'll show you why I really like SOFI around these levels. First, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. It's free, and all you're going to do is learn about more stocks and more ways to make money. SOFI's Q1 2021 adjusted net revenue was $216 million versus investor guidance of $190 to $195 million, representing a $21 to $26 million or 11 to 14% beat. This includes a negative impact to Q1 21 revenue of $5 million due to corporate interest expense, primarily related to the Galileo seller note, which was paid back in February 2021. The adjusted EBITDA, or earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, was $4 million versus investor guidance of negative $5 million to plus $1 million, representing a $9 million beat to the low end of the range and a $3 million beat to the high end of the range. Now let's take a look at the adjusted net revenue for SOFI. $216 million of Q1 21 and $752 million of the last 12 months adjusted net revenue, which includes the Q1 21 negative impact of $5 million and the last 12 months negative impact of $32 million related to interest on corporate debt. That's 151% year over year. SOFI has seen their third consecutive quarter of positive EBITDA and $70 million improvement year over year. Alright you guys, now we're going to look at some stock charts and I'll show you why I really like SOFI stock at these levels. Please feel free at any time to leave me a comment in the comment section down below, drop down another ticker that you might want to see a video on, or let me know what you think of SOFI stock. This is the 6-month, 1-day chart for SOFI stock. So each of these candles would represent how the stock traded in 1 day, and this is over the last 6 months. You see that blue line there, and that's right around $15. It's not exactly $15, but we see that SOFI stock's found great support around that level. SOFI stock has tested this support level back before in March, in April, and in May, and it has bounced to the upside. Of course, anything can happen in the stock market, but this is a good indication of strength around that level. When buying a stock, I always look at a stock chart. I make sure the overall trend or the primary trend of the stock is in an uptrend, unless I'm shorting the stock, of course. I look for previous support levels and reversals, and then I drill down to the next chart. Here's the 3-month one-day candlestick chart. So as of the time of this video, it's starting to show a little bit more positive strength. What I like here is that it's put in a higher high and a higher low since bouncing around that $15 range. What I'd really like to see here is it to break that resistance level of around $15.51, $15.52. But I'll be happy with the higher highs and higher lows and holding the support level of around $15.26. Now we're going to look at the 5-day, 5-minute candlestick chart. So each of these candles would represent what the stock does in 5 minutes. This is one of the charts I'd use if I was day trading a stock, but I always drill down when I'm buying a stock to see if I can get the best price. Let's check it out. Here's the 5-minute candlestick chart over the last 5 days. We can see that it's found that support level around 15 and has now started to make its way up. SOFI stock bounced down there at 15 and then bounced to the upside and broke through that $15.26 resistance level. So for the shorter or near term, I'd be looking at this $15.26 level to become support. However, it could break through that $15.50 resistance level and that could become support, and so on and so forth. However, if we did see a short squeeze occur and all these hedge funds and short sellers have to race to cover their positions, we could see this thing go parabolic. SoFi stock has been heavily shorted and sold down drastically in the last month, so I had SoFi stock on my watch list. When I saw it bounce at these previous support levels, I jumped in for a trade. I also think SoFi stock could have some long-term potential, so I bought some long-term options also. I hope this video got SoFi on your watch list if you're not already invested in SoFi stock, or it helped you learn something about stock charts. Now do me a favor, you guys, and leave me a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you think of SoFi stock. I love hearing from each and every one of you, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Till next time, you guys, I'm Cullum Costello. Now hit that subscribe button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money.